Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy YouTube Premium with PhonePe, right? So we'll just open our YouTube here. Once I open my YouTube here, we have to just go to the premium section. You can just click on U, which is on the bottom right side corner. Once you click on bottom right side corner, you have to just scroll a little bit down and click on Get YouTube Premium, right? Once you click on Get YouTube Premium, you have to click on Get YouTube Premium, and here I will select 1 month or whatever plan. You can just select it, click on Confirm. Once you click confirm, you have to just wait a few seconds, and here it will just give you option to, in the bottom it will show option, and here you can just select whatever your payment method, right? So if you want to pay with your phone pay, just go to pay with UPI. Once you click on pay with UPI, you will have a UPI ID which is from phone pay. So just paste this UPI ID and it will send you a message, and from the notification or wherever you can just open the phone pay app and you can just pay with it, right? So it's very easy guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.